This four-door, five-passenger sedan will allow you to take command of the road with confidence. Under the hood, you'll find a six-cylinder engine with more than 270 horsepower, providing a smooth and predictable driving experience. Top features include rain-sensing wipers, delay-off headlights, power front seats, a built-in garage door transmitter, an automatic dimming rear-view mirror, heated seats, heated door mirrors, and cruise control. Passengers are protected by various safety and security features, including head curtain airbags, front side impact airbags, traction control, brake assist, anti-whiplash front head restraints, ignition disabling, OnStar, and four-wheel disc brakes with ABS. This car was designed with safety in mind, allowing you to drive with even greater assurance. Stop by our dealership or give us a call for more information.